This conference will now be recorded.
Today, we will talk about events. Those who are taking notes, they can take a notes. Lightning event. Now, what is an event? Any notification by a browser, component, or application regarding an action is called event. Any notification by a browser, component, or application regarding an action is called event. Is called event. Somebody ask in an interview, what is an event? Any notification by a browser, web browser, notification by a component, notification by an application regarding any action is called event. There are two types of events: browser event, system event. Browser event, system event. What is a browser event? Event which is handled by the browser. The event which occurred in the browser, right, and handled by the browser is called browser event. Example: on change, on focus, on load, on blur, on mouse up, on mouse down, right, on click. All these are browser events. You click on a button, browser event, right? Browser event. What is a browser event? Right? On change, you are on a field, you just press the tab button, it goes to another. Automatically, I want something to happen. It's an on change event. On focus, off focus, on blur, right? On load, on click, on mouse down, on mouse up, on mouse rollover. You just pass your mouse over the button, rollover. All these are, who is capturing it? Browser is capturing it. We call them as browser event. Events are of two types: browser event, system event. Next, what is a system event? Event that is handled by Lightning platform is called system event. Event that has been handled by Lightning platform is called system event. There are two types of system event. There are two types of event framework in Lightning: component event, application event. Component event, application event. Component event, application event. Right? There are two types of system events: component event, application event. Whenever an event is handled by the component, we call them as component event. Whenever an event handled by everyone, component and application, we call application event. Now, right, those who are taking notes, they can take a notes. I'm giving you short definitions here. There are two types of events: browser event, system event. Event handled by the browser is called browser event. Example: on change, on click, on load. Next, system event. Event handled by Lightning platform is called system event. Event handled by Lightning platform is called system event. There are two types of system events: component event, application event. Component event, application event. Right? Component event, application event. Now let's understand what is a component event. Component event is nothing but whenever if event is fired by the component and handled by a component in a upper hierarchy, we call them as component event. What is a component event? Right? Event occurred in a component and can be handled by component itself or the containment hierarchy, is called component event. An event fired in a component and handled by the component itself and by the containment hierarchy is called component event, is called component event, is called component event. Paint. Let me make you understand. Component event. Two diagrams I will draw. I'm dividing the screen into two pieces. Two diagrams. Right? Next. This is an application. Green one is an application. Right? App. Green one is an app. Inside the app, I have one component. This orange one is a component. The orange one is parent comp, right? Inside this component, I have one more component. Let's say two components. These are child component. They are inside where? They are inside the parent. Parent is the orange. Child comp1, child comp2, child comp1, child comp2. There are two components. Suppose there is a button. Let's assume that in the child 1 there is a button. In the child 1, let's assume that there is a button. This is a button. Whenever you click this button, right, I want the parent to react. An event occurred in blue, but who is reacting? Right? Blue can react. Orange can react. Green can react. This is called as component event. But child 2 cannot react. Child 2 cannot react. Child 2 cannot react. Child 2 cannot react. Who can react? Right? If I click a button here in the component 1 blue, in the orange, data is displayed. In the application, another component is unhide or hidden. One button click in one blue is making changes in orange, it's making changes in green. Lower to up, lower to upper, down to up, child to grandparent. Child will give to father, right? The property is flowing from where? From child to father, father to grandfather. It's opposite of inheritance. In inheritance, grandfather to father, father to child. It comes in that way, but here it is opposite, right? It's not coming from grandfather, it's coming from child to father, father to grandfather. This is called as bubbling. This concept of flowing a property from lower to higher hierarchy is called bubbling. Whenever you open a soda bottle, what will happen? How the bubbles will react? In a soda bottle, in a thumbs up bottle, bubbles will, from the bottom it goes up. Yes, any soda bottle you open, you see that the bubbles in the soda bottle, from the bottom it goes up. It doesn't go left, right. It doesn't from top to bottom. No, it go from bottom to top. Bottom to top is called what? Bubbling. Top to bottom is called what? Inheritance. Top to bottom is called inheritance. Bottom to top is called bubbling. Lightning events are bubbling events. They are bubbling. They are not inherited events. They are bubbling events. Remember this very well. In an interview, they will ask, and you should be able to answer it. Lightning events are bubbling events. What is a bubbling? Bubble concept. It's nothing but bottom to top, child to ancestor, right? Whereas in inheritance, ancestor to child. Your great grandfather has left a property. That property has moved to your grandfather. From your grandfather, the property came to your father. From your father, the property came to you. That is called inheritance, right? From top to bottom. Now it's opposite. Child is passing the property to father. Then father is passing the property to grandfather. Opposite direction, right? Siblings cannot handle. Who can handle? In a component event, who can handle? In a component event, right? In a component event, it goes up. It goes up. In a component event, it goes up. It goes up. Left. Siblings. Answer is no. Siblings. Answer is no. That means can component to react? No, because both are at the same level. Will any component below this will react? Any component below this will react? Answer is no. They will not. Answer is no. They will not. They will not. For example, inside the blue component, I have one more component I'm taking it inside. Here. Inside this, I have one more. I will say grandchild. Grandchild COMP1. Can grandchild handle it? No. Can grandchild handle it? Answer is no. Right? Only up in the hierarchy can handle. Only up in the hierarchy can handle. Only up in the hierarchy can handle. Remember this. No one else can handle. This is called as component event. Component event. In component event, only up the hierarchy can handle. It happened in dark blue. Can light blue handle it? Light blue can handle the event? No, light blue cannot handle the event. Can component 2 handle the event? No, component 2 cannot handle the event. It cannot react. When I say handle, it cannot react. Who can react? The comp1. The comp1 can react because the event happened there. So he can react. Who can react? The orange can react. Who can react? Right? The app can react. Up the hierarchy. Up the hierarchy. Who can react? These are the people who can react. This is called as component event. Now I'm drawing one more diagram for you and you have to tell me, right? This is an application, right? Inside this, right? Now I will give you different colors. Keep on watching. Now, if an event occurs, even if an event occurs, right here, tell me who can handle. Tell me who can handle.
Or orange,
Orange and
yellow,
yellow, green,
Orange,
green.
yellow, green, and the blue. Blue can also handle, remember this,
For
right?
itself, yeah.
It can handle the self because event occurred there, right? So blue can handle, orange can handle, yellow can handle, green can handle. Can purple handle? No. Can pink can handle? No. Will the gray will be able to handle? No. Because what type of event it is? It's a component event. Component. For a component event, first you need a event. The star mark is an event. What are the things you need? You need one event. So to do this, what are the things that I need? First thing is that I need an event, a star mark. An event is required. First step, one event is required. Event. Once the event is created, wherever you want to fire the event, second step, you have to register the event. Register event. Wherever you are firing, there you have to register, then fire. Fire the event. Fire event. So first, create a event. Second step, register the event, right? So star mark, I'm registering with blue. Then I can fire the event. And then handle the event. Handle event. Handle the event. Who can handle? Blue can handle, orange can handle, yellow can handle, green can handle, right? These are the 4 steps in event. These are the 4 steps in event, right? These are the 4 steps in event. What are those? First, create an event. Next, right? First step, create an event. How do you create an event? We create an event using Aura event. Aura event. Type of event, component. I'm teaching you component event now, right? Next class, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow class, we'll see application event. Now, event. First step, create event. Second step, register the event. Third step, fire the event. How to register the event? You use Aura register event. You use a command called as Aura register event. Next, fire the event. How can I fire? I use the keyword called as dot fire. Dot fire. Fire the event. Once the event is fire, the last step is handle the event. Aura handler. Aura handler to handle the event. This is how the event is being seen. This is how the event flows. First step, those who are writing, event propagation. Number 1, create event. Number 2, register the event. Number 3, fire the event. Number 4, handle the event. Nothing but capture the event. Event fire includes register and fire comes under event fire. Register and fire both comes under event fire. Capture is nothing but handle. Bubble, what is a bubble? Bubbling concept, I told you, from bottom to top is called bubbling. Bottom to top is called bubbling. Bottom to top is called bubbling propagation, how the event is flowing. Now let us see practical. Understood, guys? The 4 steps. 4 steps in Salesforce events, lightning events. Rupam @lt96.com, password CRM1234#. Today's class will be different. We'll be doing something different today. Keep on watching. I'm opening my developer console. Okay. Now, There we go. What happened? The name is not coming up. Close. Last time, otherwise we'll try with the link. Control C. Last time, let me try. I'm not getting the tab names there. Oh, there we go. Now we got it. Close the tab names. First step. What is the first step? Create event. File. New. Lightning application. Lightning component. Lightning interface. Lightning event. I click on lightning event. I click on lightning event. I'm clicking on lightning event. New lightning event. First step, create a lightning event. First step, create a lightning event. Right? LE, all the events, I will say LE. LC, lightning component. LA, lightning app. LE, lightning event. LE underscore 2605 underscore EG1 underscore EVENT event example. I'm creating an event. I need this event, guys. Control C. I need this event name. Event. I say submit. Close the description. Come here. Lightning event. Lightning event. By default, it's showing platform. It's showing application. Application event. Right? What I will do is that I will just increase in 2 lines. I will change from application to component. Caps. Always this has to be in a caps. First, what I did, I created a lightning event. I created a lightning event. Control S. You can give, this is an event example. This is an event example. Control S, one event has been created. Control S, an event has been created. Control S, one event has been created. Right? One event has been created. What I will do now, right? I will go ahead. Now I will create the parent. Event has been created. File, new, lightning component. I will say LC underscore P, parent, parent, parent. Control C, submit. I keep on taking the name parent. Right? What I just did, I just created a parent. Right? So I created the parent component. Right? I created the parent component. Inside the parent component, I'm just writing a lightning card. First, I'll show you a basic example, okay, so that you understand. LIGHT lightning card. Title equals to parent component. Title equals to parent component. Parent component. What is that? I am the parent. I am the parent. I am the parent. Inside this, I'm typing I am the parent. I am the parent. I am the parent. I am the parent. Right? Perfectly fine. I'll put a paragraph tag, a break tag, so that it pushes to the next line. Control S, Control S, Control S. Perfectly fine. Now I'll create one more component. File, new, lightning component. I will say child, child, C, Control C, submit. I am creating the third component called as child, C. In this component, what I will do? Same thing I'll do. I'll copy it, Control C, I'll paste it here. I will say child, child component. I'm the child. I am the child. I am the child. I am the child. Right? Perfect. Right? Now, I am the child. Clear? Child component. In the child component, what I'm going to do? Right? I'm going to fire an event in the child. Child will fire event, parent will react. This is what I want to show you. Child. Right? Let's assume that there is a button also. Whenever a button is clicked, LIGHT, lightning, LIGH, GHT, lightning, BUTTON, button. Label equals to submit. Label equals to submit. On click, on click, on click, C dot, right? C dot, call me. There's a button, right? Now, I want to fire a lightning event here. Wherever you want to fire, I told you have to register the event first. So first register. Aura. First step, create event, which we did this. Now I want to fire the event. To fire event, I have to register event. Right? You have to give a nickname, name of the event. Nickname is very important. In component, nickname, anything. I will say first. This is my first event. No, I'm giving a first type. In the type, you have to give, in the type, you have to give the event name. What event we created? This event we created. In that, you have to give C like this. This is the event, and the name of the event I gave as first event. Perfect. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Right? Now, keep on watching. So first step, create event. We did that. Second step, register event. We did that. Now, let us go ahead and fire the event. Whenever this button is clicked, I want to fire the event. I'm going to the controller. Call me. Call me. Right? I'm going to write first, write var evt. Officially, we give evt. You can give anything. You can give var event, var a, B, C, your name, my name, your girlfriend name, anything you can give, no problem. Equals to component dot get event. First get the event. How to get the event? From the component, get the event. Which event? I called as first. Whatever the nickname you give, call that event. No v dot, directly. No v dot, no v, directly the event. Once you call the event, now you can fire the event. evt dot fire. evt dot fire. Event firing is over. Where I'm firing the event? I'm firing the event in a child. Whenever you click this button, the event is fired. Event is fired. Event is fired. Who can handle? Right? parent can handle. I go to the parent. How it will become parent? Whenever I will call the child component, then only wherever I call the child component, then only it will become a parent. C colon. See, now I'm calling the child component. Then I'm calling inside this P, I'm calling the C. Inside the P, example1 underscore P, I'm calling example1 underscore C. Then that means example1 underscore C is inside the P. That means P is the parent and I'm calling the child. Who can handle? Parent can handle. Who can handle? Parent can handle. Button was clicked in the child, but who can handle? Parent can handle. Who can handle? Parent can handle. Now let's see how to handle. Whenever you want to handle something, whenever a parent or whoever wants to handle, they have to use what? Aura handler. They have to use what? Aura handler. They have to use aura handler. Name. Name has to be the nickname. What event you want to handle, because there could be more than one event. Control C. I want to handle the first, right? Then the event, event. Which event? These are the properties you have to remember. C colon, the event name. What was the event name? This is the event name. This is I want to handle. What do you want to do? Whenever that button is clicked, what do you want to do? Right? I will say action. Action. Right? It's getting highlighted like this. Wherever I'm clicking. I don't know. Action. Action equals to what? Action equals to, I will say exclamation C dot show me. Whenever that button is clicked, whatever you write inside show me, where? In the parent. Show me is where? In the parent. That will be get executed. That means with what I'm doing, from a child, I'm controlling the parent controller. From a child controller, from a child component controller, I am controlling the parent component controller. Two different component controllers I'm controlling. Show me. What do you want to show me? I will say alert. Alert. Alert what? Alert what? The parent heard the event and handled the event. This is the message I want to pop up. This is the message I want to pop up. File, new application. I will say LA. I will remove the C from there. Right? I click on submit. I will call only the parent because inside the parent child is already there. Inside the parent I have already included the child. Control C. Force SLDS. Now you see. Preview. I'm loading. Parent component. Below the parent component, we have the child component because I'm calling the child inside the parent. As soon as I click on submit, submit is a button in child. Submit is a button in child. But as soon as I click a submit, right, the parent will react. In the parent, there is a message. In the parent, there is a message. In the parent, this is the parent, right? This is the parent. In that parent, I'm handling it. System will call show me. When I go to the controller, in the parent, I'm in C P. I have an alert box. Alert box is not there in the C, it's there in the P. But you see that as soon as I click on C, P is reacting. The parent heard and the event, parent heard the event and handled the event. See, this message is there where? In parent. This message is not there in the C, it's in the P. I click the button where? I click the button not on the P, I click the button on the C. As soon as I click the button on the C, the parent is reacting, right? The parent is reacting. Able to understand? Yes or no? Able to understand? Yes or no?
Sir, yes.
Tell me.
Sir, will it work vice versa also?
No. Why you're asking this question when I already showed this diagram to you?
So actually, I joined a bit late actually. I got confused between the link.
That's okay. Okay, fine then. No. In the component event, it will not work vice versa. It's bubbling. Component event is bubbling. No inheritance, no siblings. Side are called siblings. Child to blue is a sibling. Yellow is child. Purple, yellow, purple, and gray are siblings. Pink, pink are siblings, brother, sister, at the same level. But yellow, purple, and gray are brother, sisters, siblings, same level. Component event doesn't support sibling. Component event doesn't support inheritance. Component event only support bubbling. Component event only support. See, now I'm coloring it. What does the word sibling means? People who are confusing, right? This is called sibling. Left and right is called sibling. This is called sibling. This is called sibling. Sibling, right? Inheritance. Inheritance. What is inheritance? Right? Flowing down is called inheritance. This one, red. What is this? Inheritance. Red. Inheritance. Inheritance not supported. Sibling not supported. Only what is supported? Bubbling. Flowing up. Bubbling. B-U-B-B. Bubbling. Only bubbling is supported. In component event, event is fired in the child. Only parent can handle, grandparent can handle, super grandparent can handle, great grandparent can handle, muttata can handle, muttata can handle. Up, not down. Bubble, soda bottle, from bottom to up, not up to down. Up to down is inheritance. No inheritance, no sibling, only bubbling. This is called as parent component. Parent, this is called as component level event. Component event. Component event. Right? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, when this event is passed from child to parent, when I click a button here, and automatically reaction is happening in the parent, in the upper, from lower to upper. Can I pass the data also? From a child, can I pass a data to parent? Yes. Yes. That means through event, can I pass data? Answer is yes. Let's see that example also. Once again, I'm closing everything. File, new, lightning event. I will say LE, example 2, event with data. Event with the data. Earlier, only event, only blank event. Now I'm creating event with data. Event with data. Example 2, LE, lightning event. Remove this lightning event. What type of event? Component. Inside the event, I'll declare an attribute. Aura attribute. Name equals to what? EMP name. Type equals to what? String. Inside an event, I'm holding an attribute. Inside an event, I'm creating a container to hold a data. I created a container, attribute container to hold a data. So my event is created. Earlier, this was not there. Line number 2 was not there. It was a blank event. Now, event with data. Now, same thing I will do, right? File, new. You want to write a parent or you want to write a child, right? File, new. I can write anything. Next, file, new component. LC. Example 2, I will say, right? Child, 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 C. Control C, submit. Child. I close it. Inside this, what I'm saying, right? Lightning. Lightning. What is that? Card. Title. 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 Title is what? Equals to child, child component. Right? I will say this is child component. This is child component. This is child component. This is child component. Now here I will say lightning. 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 INPUT input. Lightning input. Label. Label equals to what? Enter name. Enter the name. That's the label. Now I don't have a value, so let me declare an aura attribute. Aura attribute, right? Label or name, not label, name equals to nm, right? Sorry. Type equals string, right? Whatever you are entering here, right? Value v dot nm. Perfect. I have an input, right? Whenever you click a button, now lightning button, lightning button, label, submit. On click, on click, call me. So I have a lightning card. Inside the card, I have one input, I have button. Now I want to fire an event here. Whenever you want to fire event, I told you the first step is what? You should have an event, create event, which we already did. We created an event. We created an event with an attribute. Next, to fire event, second step, what is that? Register event. So how I will register? Aura register event, aura, register event, name, second. Give any name. I'm giving a name called second, right? Type is what? C colon. Type is what? Right? Type is what? C colon. Right? Type is what? C colon. Right? C colon, the event name. This event name. Event name is this. LE with data. Right? LE with data. LE with data. Right? Event. That's a type. Event. My register event is done? Yes. My register of event is done. Once the event is registered, now I can fire the event. I go to the controller. Call me. Call me is the controller. What? First get the event. Where what? EVT. You can type anything, guys. In real time, we call all event as EVT. That's the reason I'm typing EVT. Component dot get event. Component dot get event. What is the event name? The event name is second. The event name is second. Now, before fire, whatever the data that you captured in the input, enter the name. I will enter Rupam. Rupam will be stored where? In this NM. Right? Also get what? Where N MMM equals to component. COM component spelling is correct. COMPONENT component dot get. You have to use what? Component dot get. Get what? V dot. Whatever the value that is captured, I'm bringing in. First, I'm bringing in all the values, whatever the value that I captured with this input field. Then what I'm doing? Then what I'm doing? I'm going ahead and calling the event. Once the event is called, now I will pass this param to the event. Whatever this NMMM is there, I'll pass it. How you'll pass it? EVT dot set param. Set params. You did this in a JSON format. Set params has to be in a JSON format. What is that? In the event, it is called EMP name. I'm passing it to the event. You can see that. Employee name. What is that? If I hard code, if I put like this, if somebody says, right, this is called hard coding. Whenever you put in a quotes, it's hard coding. Remember this very well. That means if I pass like this, sorry, what value will be passed to the employee name? NMMM will be passed. It is not the data that is captured. So don't put this code. Once again, I'm calling it out. Dynamically, you do like this, right? Whatever the data you captured here in NMMM, I want to pass. Then I will fire the event. EVT.fire. Only one step extra. What was that? Set params. Over. Done. Now I will write the parent. New lightning component. I will say P. I'm creating the parent. Right? As usual, right? Let me go ahead and copy this. Control C, right? Lightning card, parent component. This is parent component. Who is this? This is the parent component. Parent component wants to handle. Whoever wants to handle should have a handler, right? Parent wants to handle, then you should have a handler here. Aura handler. Aura handler, right? Aura handler, right? What is this? How to write aura handler? Name of the handler. What was that? I gave the name of the handler as what? I gave the name of the handler as this thing, right? Name event. What happened? Just give me a sec here. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Right. So aura handler, name is second. Next, how do you write a handler? Next is event, event. Event equals to what? Event equals to C colon, right? Whatever the event that we created, this is the name of the event, right? What is the action? Oh, next action. What should happen? Whenever the event is fired, the button is clicked, the event is fired, the data is transferred to the event. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I want to go ahead and I want to say C dot C, right? C dot show me. See, I'm handling the event in parent. Show me. Where is show me? Show me is in the parent. Show me is in the parent. What do you want to do? Right? In this, what I want to do, right? I have to get the data, right? I've passed the data, that's well and fine. Now, right, I have to get the data, right? I have to get the data. How can I get the data? Directly I can say var name is equals to what? Event dot get param. Bring the param. I'm passing the param and from the child I'm passing, right, to the event. Now from the event I'm pulling it in the parent. Get param. Get param what? Get param what? Right? Get param. I want to get the parameters. What is this? Employee name. Get the param. Right? Get the param. Employee name. Right? And this, what I will do, right? I can put here, right? Okay. Let's say that Do you want me to declare an attribute? I can declare I can show in a message box. What is that? Alert. First, let me show in the alert box. Alert. What is that? This is parent. Parent. The data entered in child is plus name. Plus name. Plus name. Right? That's it. Plus name. But for event to occur, it has to be parent. For this to be parent, I need to call the child here. If I don't call child inside the parent, this is P, right? I have to call the child. I can call up, down, wherever you want. I don't mind, right? So C colon, I'm calling the child. Control S. I'm calling the child.
In line
Sir,
number 2
in
for
that
action we are
curly
missing
bracket,
flower brackets.
Oh, I forgot the curly bracket. Perfect. Control S. Save. Now the message is in the parent. The data was entered in the child, but the data will be displayed in the parent now. Actually, the data was captured where? This is a child component. You are capturing the data on the child. But when you click submit, the parent is reacting by showing a message and it's bringing the data. And it's bringing the data. Right? Let's see whether it works or not. I'm closing all the, so file, new, lightning component. Sorry, lightning application. LA. Example. Force SLDS. And here I will call what? The parent. Only the parent, because in the parent already the child has been called. Control S. Preview. Now you see. In the child, I have input. Input RUPUM Rupam. Submit. See. This is a parent. The data entered in the child is Rupam. I'm passing the data from child to another component. From one component, I'm passing it to the child component. From a child component, I'm passing the data to the parent component. Transferring of data from one component to other component. What I just did, let's do step by step. Let's do step by step. This is, let's do step by step. This is an application that we just created. Application, okay? Okay, this is an application. Green one. In a diagrammatically, I'm explaining you. Application. Inside that, there is a parent. Blue one. Inside that, there is a child. Orange one. Right? This is what we did. Control C. Right? This is a child that I created. Inside the child, there was what? There was an input text. One input text where you can enter the data. Where RUPUM, I entered the data. And then there is a command button. And then there is a command button. Submit. submit is the command button, right? What is that? Now you created an event outside. This is an event. What was the name of the event? Here it is. This is the name of the event that you created. I'm writing it here. This is name of the event that you created. LE, event with data. Inside that you created a container, attribute container, one small container to hold the data. Whenever you click the button, what you did? Whenever you click the button, you call the event first. The event is called. All the red lines. The event is called. The event was called. As soon as the event was called, right, and it was fire. It was called and then it was fired. While firing, you are passing the data. While firing, you have passed the data. Yeah. Next, who can handle? So this is what? Fire. Here you are doing what? Orange. I'm writing in orange. Register the event. Register event, fire event. Register event, pass value to event, and fire the event. So you have registered the event, you have passed the value to the event, and you have fired the event. The event got fired. Now, blue, what it did? This handled the event. From the same event, this blue is handling now. Blue is a handler. Blue is the handler. So what it's done? HAN handle the event. Handle the event. Get the data. Get the value. From event. Whatever is happening here, I'm typing. Get the value from the event and call the action. Call the action. What to do? What to do? What do you want to do? You want to display a message, display message. Here we displayed the message. Here we displayed the message. Blue can handle. Can application handle? Yes. Let's go ahead. Write an application. Now where I am? Where I am? I'm in LA. In LA also I want to handle the event. So here also you have to write what? Aura handler. Not only the parent component can handle, even the application can handle. Aura handler. Name of the event. Better that I copy from the child. Thing. From the parent I'm copying it. Where I'm copying? Where I'm copying? Right? Is app me. Action is app me. I'm writing in the application. See that? Aura application. Right? Now I will go ahead and I'll write an application controller. App me. What is that? Alert. Alert. Alert what? Right? EVENT. Event was HANDLED handled. Control S. This is APP. Event was handled. Where I'm writing, I'm handling the event in two places. In parent also I'm handling. In application also I'm handling. Now go ahead and see the preview. I enter the name Ravi Verma. I click on submit. First, I told you know it's bubbling. Bubbling means bottom to up. It is happening child. Parent is reacting. First, this is a parent. Once I click OK, then see that I get the app message. This is app. Event was handled. See, I can pass even the data to app also. The same Ravi Verma, I can pass there also. So it's not that the app is the main, no, because it's going from down to up. So first the message popped up where? In the blue. Then the green will pop up because it's going top. It is going like this. From orange to, it's going like this. From orange to blue, blue to green. The message sequence is also like this. Can I change the sequence? No. I want the application message to come first. No, you cannot. That's called bubbling. That's called bubbling. You cannot, in a soda bottle, when you open it, the gas goes, the bubbles of soda gas, right? Kinley bottle, if you open, it will go from bottom to top. You cannot disturb that sequence. Same thing is here. I click the button in orange, blue is reacting, green is reacting now. With me, what I'm saying? Yes, able to understand, guys. Over. See that? Submit. First, parent is reacting. Then the app is reacting, bubbling up. Let's create one more parent. Grandparent will create. File, new, right? Lightning component, underscore GP, grandparent. Submit. I created one more component called grandparent, right? I will call the child directly, or I can call the parent. Your wish. I will call the parent. Child is inside the parent. Parent is inside the grandparent. Can this grandparent can handle the event? Yes, the event occurred in child. So now what I'm in the diagram, what I'm doing, I'm inserting one more box here, yellow box, grandparent, yellow box, grandparent. This is what I'm trying to do. So grandparent, here can I handle? Yes, there, wherever you want to handle, you have to use handler. Not compulsory that you have to handle, right? What is that? I will say GP me, grandparent me, Control C, Control S, right? I go to the controller, GP me, GP me. I will say what? Same thing. I'll put a message. What is that? Alert. Best of luck from grandparent. Control S. Control S. Now, in the app, I will say what? GP. GP. Oh, did I put the name perfect? Shit, I created the LA only, man. I should have taken LC. Mistake. One mistake, LA. Okay, it's actually LC. Control S. Control S. Saving. Done. Now you see. Grandparent is not seen anywhere, right? If you want, I can put in a grandparent one card, one lightning card, so that you have a visibility, right? I'll copy a lightning card so that you can see the grandparent is GRAND, grandparent. This is GRAND, grandparent. I'm removing everything. Control S, GRA, Control S. Now I go to the app, I click on preview, see what is happening. Grandparent, parent, child. I enter, right? I enter A, B, C. Click on submit. First, who is reacting? Parent. Parent is also pulling the value from the child. The value which was captured in child was transferred to the parent. Next, best of luck from grandparent. Next, this is app. Going from down to bottom. So many people, so many components are handling one event. One child is making parent to react, grandparent to react, application to react. This is called as what? This is called as component event. Component event. And an event occurs in a child. Who can handle? The child can also handle. Let me go to the child. Where is the child? See, here I have said register event. And in the controller, I have fired the event. But can a child handle? Yes. Why not? I'm copying the parent, Control C. I'm going to the child. I'm handling. I'm registering as well as handling. Call child me. Child me. Control C. Everybody can handle. Go to the controller. Comma. Child me. Child me. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Child me. Whenever the event is fired, even the child can also handle. Child can fire, child can handle. Parent can handle, grandparent can handle, application can handle. So that's the reason in the child I have set fire as well as handle. There also I will say alert. Hi, I am child. I fired the event. And this is also handled by me. I fired, I only handled it. I fired, I only handled it. Go to the app, click on preview. Now you see. J. First child. System is deciding it. Hi, I'm child. I fired the event and this is also handled by me. Okay, next parent. This is parent. The data entered in child is JJJ. Next, best of luck from grandparent, GP. Next, this is app, event was handled. See, child fire, child can handle. Parent can handle. Grandparent can handle. Application can handle. Up the hierarchy, anyone can handle. Up the hierarchy, anyone can handle. Up the hierarchy, this is called bubbling. Bubbling. Once again, I'm calling it out. This is called as bubbling. Top to bottom. Sorry, bottom to top. Bubbling. Component event. Component event is a bubbling, is a bubbler. Component event is a bubbler. It's a bubbling. Component event supports bubbling. In a component event, can I pass data? Yes. You can share the data across the components in the hierarchy. Only in the hierarchy you can share the data. That means whatever the data that I entered in the child, I can pass it to the parent, I can pass it to grandparent, I can pass it to where? To application also. Clear, everyone? I'm trying my level best to make you understand, right? Yes, able to understand. Yes, guys, or no?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry,
Sir,
class is not over. Tomorrow we will again see a example and then one real-time example, so that you get clear with what is component event, where it is used, how it is used. Yes, tell me. Question.
Sir, can you repeat again the flow of the event? I mean, in search
Nothing. Open a soda bottle, you'll understand the flow. Open a soda bottle, take the soda bottle and put in front of you. Take a Kinley bottle. How the bubble goes? From down to up. Same thing, right? Same thing is here.
So event cannot handle sibling, right?
No, already I told you
So
this.
can we convert sibling to again child?
Yeah, conversion is anytime possible. Suppose there is a one more event here. Can this green, the second green can handle? Can the second green can handle? Answer is no. Answer is no. Second green cannot handle, because both are brothers and sisters, sibling. Both are the same. No, they cannot. They cannot. Siblings cannot. Siblings cannot.
So if we convert this to
Suppose,
child, then it's possible, right?
then yes. Now inside this orange, there is a blue. Can this blue handle? Answer is no. Blue cannot handle, because blue is inside the orange. Orange and above can handle, not orange and below. Orange and above is what? Blue, yellow, green, dark blue, right? Sky blue cannot handle. The sky blue color cannot handle, because this is below. Below cannot handle. If you remember the diagram, below no, inheritance no, sibling no, only bubbling. Clear now? Yes.
It's not a, it's inside orange only. Why it's not handling?
Inside orange is what? Inside orange is what? Tell me. That means who is the
Child.
father? Who is the father? Orange is the father. Who is the child? Sky blue is the child. Then is it that sky blue is down? Yes. Inside means what? It is a child. Orange is a child. That means orange is the father and sky blue is the child. Sky blue. Who is the father of sky blue? Here. How can you
Orange.
pass downward? Then it's inheritance, no? If from orange, if it's moved to sky blue, then it's moving from parent to child, which is inheritance property. I told you it doesn't support inheritance.
Cool. Got your point.
Getting it? Suppose inside this blue, there is a one more pink. Inside the blue, there is a pink. Will the pink can handle? No. Will the sky blue can handle? No. Will the orange can handle? Yes, because orange is the place where the firing happened, handling can happen. Can the dark blue can handle? Yes. Can the yellow can handle? Yes. Can the green can handle? Yes. Green, yes. Yellow, yes. Dark blue, yes. Orange, yes. Sky blue, no. Pink, no. That's it. Because
can
right.
child can call two sibling parents, but within the application?
Don't get confused. Don't try to make vice versa here and there. Whatever I'm telling you, that is only will be done, right? Whatever I'm telling you, that only can be done. Orange, if a fire happens in orange, blue can handle it, yellow can handle, green can handle. Up, orange and above can handle. orange and below, what do you have? You have the sky blue, you have the pink, and let me put a brown. Let me put the brown. Brown cannot handle, pink cannot handle, sky blue cannot handle, because that's inheritance. For brown, pink is the parent. For pink, sky blue is the parent. For sky blue, orange is the parent. Where the event occurred? In the orange. How can it go down? If it goes down, then it's an inheritance property. It can go only up. It can go only up, not down. Suppose the event would have occurred in where? In the brown. Then who can handle? If it would have occurred in brown, then pink would have handled, light blue would have handled, orange would have handled, blue would have handled, yellow would have handled, green would have handled. Down to up. Wherever the handling is wherever the trigger is getting fire, up the event will flow. Up the event will flow. Down, no, it will not flow. Down, no, it will not flow. Down, it will not flow. Only up. Only up. Understood now? No confusion at all. Any other combination that you speak is waste now. It will not work. Now you ask me any other combination, don't even ask me. Any other combination will not work. Wherever the event was register and fire. Register and fire. Wherever it was registered and fire. Up and above. No down. No side. No side also. Siblings. Siblings. No side. Answer is no. Siblings also cannot handle. Clear now? Yes.
Yes, Rupa.
So tomorrow we will see an example. Today we have seen the basic examples. Tomorrow we'll see example, and then I'll give you the real-time usage where it is used. Understand this concept very well. In interview, favorite question, they will left and right, they will twist you. And you have to be, depending on the scenario, you have to be able to answer it. You should be able to answer it. Right? That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day.